So we have seen different kind of master data in SAP. Like you have your customers, is customer master data, materials, material master data, and you have condition master data for your price records. In the similar way, at a transactional level also, suppose you have 100 sales orders, 100 purchase orders, planned orders. There, let's assume that certain field it's need to be updated as part of your cutover, or else like you would like to change. For example, let me show you. Let's go to XT02, press enter. Suppose here delivery priority is high, okay, or else shipping conditions is 01. So for in this shipping tab, this delivery priority shipping condition, you would like to change it for 10,000 customers. So so like it's a tedious job. Like you can able to do two techniques. One is LSMW, one transaction code is there, uh, legacy migration workbench, okay, legacy system migration workbench, that is there. And you have something called mass. Actually, suppose only one field you would like to change, do they change, like when you go to LSMW, it will take like 14-15 steps actually. So let me try to, okay, if you press enter, like project and sub project, you have some objects will be there. So maybe someone has run LSMW here, okay. So if you execute this, all these steps need to be run, okay. So now the current session is not all about LSMW, it's all about your mass. Like you can able to change certain fields from customer master or material master, or else sometimes your transactional data you would like to change, you can able to change it. Let's click this. What are all the object types we will call it as? For example, finance people, they will use bus 00012 for cost center. And so if you see this, uh, like this, if you can see cost center, profit center, so materials, retail relevant materials, if it is industry relevant. In the similar way, if you'd like to change sales orders, customer quotation, depends on the field. So customer contact, okay, like that. This is customer general data, KNA1, okay. So you can able to change different objects. It depends on your need, okay. Like sales orders, like assume that they have created last night from different countries, like some 1,000 sales orders. You would like to change one field manually. Next day, if it come to the support ticket, it is very difficult to change that field manually. So on instead, what you can do, you can able to do it, what I would say, by using mass transaction. That field you can able to change with reference to that field actually. So for example, I have taken customers, okay. So if you take variable name, you can able to give it. So let's try to execute this, okay. So if you don't want to display this message again, let's click this one. See, if you can see, for customer, these many places are there. General data, KNA1, company code data. See, you have in customer master general data tab, company code data tab, and this is for your VAT tax related thing, okay. Credit management, customer bank details, lending details. Like if you would like to change anything related to this, you can able to change it. For example, if you go to sales data, sales area data, okay, let's select this first and click here, okay. Again, it is asking message if you see this. So for example, I'm just giving the sales area 2727. So for this sales organization, I'm just trying to execute. So maybe let me take 27. Okay, let's try to execute. So data records to be changed for the sales area, for all records if I would like to change. So if I want specific customers, if I would like to change for certain field, I will give the specific customer. I'm just giving sales area means I can able to get. Let's execute this. Now you see this, total 8 entries are there. Okay, with this distribution channel, Ramakrishna, Rishikesh, Samco, Brand Q Limited, Sharma, like 15 16 like that, so many customers it is got created. So now I would like to change couple of fields. Okay, so where we can do, like here, this is the place where you will select the field. Okay, so first let me try to for example, I'm just taking account assignment group. Okay, this is for for posting customer account assignment group for your GL accounts. If I choose this one, single entry, I need to click this. If I click this, by default all entries will be chosen. Okay, so I don't want to do that. I don't want to change all fields. Okay, so if I click this, it will be back. But if this is one, what are the entries you selected, that you can able to choose this one. For example, what should I do? I can able to change, like account assignment group customer. I will sorry, I just need to take that field only. Let's click this one, this field. Let me try to change this field. So let me try to change delivering plant. Maybe let's give a try. If something is there, let me take Incoterms. Take Incoterms part 2. I'm just choosing for a difference. Terms of payment, I'm just taking at billing document level. I'm just taking shipping condition. Let's try to change all these fields. So I have selected these fields in my selection criteria. Out of all those fields, for an example, click. If you see this, say account assignment category, certain places it is not updated. Okay, if you see, I have total 8 entries are there, but all entries it is not available. Okay, let's give a try. So if you see, customer group also not properly updated. So now plant Incoterms, certain places it is not updated. How should we do this one? You have to take account assignment category, this one. For example, I'm just taking this one S1. Okay, like if it is already there, then it will replace, no issues. Let's go to the customer group. I'm just changing it to like somewhere, like I'm just changing it as a development partners. I'm changing. So my delivering plant, so I don't want to take all these things. My target is, I just would like to change it to 2727. If these blanks need to be filled actually. So Incoterms, let's take FOB and Incoterm location. So let me Germany. By default I'm doing. This is what the changes, it need to be filled blanks actually. So before that, let me show you this customer. For example, in this sales area it is there. You don't have all these things. Customer group is there, remaining it is not there. Let me try to show you xt02. Okay, let me share the screen. So I'm just showing you a sample example. So let's come here. If you see, delivery priority not filled, delivery plant it is not filled. When it comes to billing documents, your Incoterms is not filled. Okay, so all these are empty when it comes to sales. Whereas, so let's put this one tax, no problem. Account assignment category is not filled. Okay, let's save this. Some recon account. For example, recon account, finance wanted to change it. You can able to change it. This is also one of the standard example for this. See, this is not advisable generally, but most of the companies don't allow, but some companies still allows actually. Most of the times they will use LSMW only for data migration and data changes and data update for their cutover activities. Okay, so like but still has a chances. So single field is there, then we can take the approval and we can able to do it. Now you have to select this. Okay. Okay. So terms of payment also I have taken. Let me take Z001. Okay. So it will be changed, or else GDD. Okay. Let's try to check shipping condition. 01 is there. I would like to make it as 02. Okay. Let's change this. So you have to choose the fields from here and you have to make a selection from here. Now this is a transaction to carry out mass changes. Okay. Sometimes it might fail also. Okay. See, now see, it's filled with 03030303 and ZDD. And if you check all your entries, it is got changed. So now once it is changed, you have to click on save. That's it. Simple. Okay. Let's press enter. So it will take some time. So generally, if you do 500 and 600 entries, then it will take more time, because since it is 8 records it has done. If you see this, see, messages were saved in application log mask KNA1 with this number, and they made all these changes. Okay. If you check this, if you select this, so you can able to see the, one second, let me try to show you. So information 8 records changed, you got a notification, no warnings and no errors actually. Okay. This is how you can able to do the mask changes. See, details it is not giving, so it's got in some issues it's a practice system. Let's go here. So now for this customer, let's go and try to check the, see, S1 it is got updated. Okay, account assignment category as per our change. Now let's go to the shipping. So let's press enter, no problem. So let's go to the shipping. You can see shipping conditions 02 is there. So plant is 2727. So a customer group development partners, it is updated. Like that, you can able to update n number of fields. This is the advantage of your mass. In the similar way, let me go to, let me try to show you another customer. So I think we have taken this customer as well. Let's try. See, 03 development partners, it is updated. Now if it come to shipping standard, shipping conditions, it is updated 01 to 02. And your FOB is updated and your terms of payment updated. Let's come here, your account assignment category also got updated. This is how you need to play with the system for your mass changes. Okay. I think you have seen the screen properly, right? This one, this one, this one, and this one. And again, where is that? Customer group, development partners. So let me go to the mass transaction again. So this is KNA1. So you have to choose the object type. How you are choosing text type, text determination. In the similar way, you have to choose the object type. So this is for vendors. So you can able to make the changes for your sales orders also. So for example, if you click like this, header data you would like to change, or item data, or business data. Suppose if I select this one, click on execute. So maybe press enter. See, it is asking, please enter sales documents. Okay. So if you click this, all it will come. Okay. See, these many records are there. So when you would like to make a change, if you do background, it will be faster. Actually, I'm not going to do, I'm just showing you. Okay. So let's go back. In the similar way, SD business data, if you see, certain fields will be there. Okay. So item number, you have to give the sales document number. So if you tick this one, it will not change existing data. Only new data will be updated. Okay. So like that, you can able to play with the system. Like it is required to learn, and but it is not much important. But in real time, they won't allow you to play with the system how you want it. A lot of restrictions will be there for T code access and all those things. Okay, this is all about brief about mass changes. You can do your practice about this thing.